Greetings friends, I'm GeoFatBoy for ShaveNation.com. I'm about to get my shave on. Just want to show you how to use a shaving mug. We just got these in stock. Beautiful stoneware, handmade in 2026, made in the USA. If you want to pick one of these up, just go to ShaveNation.com. You can grab one right there. This mug has rings at the bottom. If you want to squirt shaving cream into it and lather up that way, that works. Or if you want to drop a puck right into it, this is a Ogallala Bay Rum and Sandalwood. Beautiful smelling. I love the scent. Fantastic. Two of my favorite scents in shaving, Bay Rum and Sandalwood. All you do is take the mug, drop the puck right in, push down, and it locks it in place. After you use it a couple times, the water interacting with the soap will really lock it down. It won't fall out. Before the shave, just take the mug, put some hot water on top of the soap. It's called blooming the soap. Just like that. Just enough to coat the top, and let that sit for a minute or two while you get the rest of your shaving equipment ready for your shave. And then when you're done, just pour that out like so. Grab your brush under the hot water. Swirl the brush on the soap to load the tips. Then you go directly to the face and face lather. Let me warm up my face, I'll show you real quick. You can see how red my face is. Like I said, just swirl the tips to load them, go directly to the face and face lather, thusly. If you need more, you can always dip right back into the mug and reload, but I don't need to do that. Swirl it, paint it, dab it, whatever you prefer. Figure 8, smooth everything out, set the brush down, swipe, swipe, clear the runways so you can see your sideburns and you're ready to get your shave on, which I will do right now. Got my Shave Nation combo head razor, open comb, closed comb, loaded with a feather blade. I have a heavier beard growth, so I'll start with the open comb. Cut the sideburn. Work my way down. I've used this blade several times. Rinse. You're using the open comb side. There's the trademark of the open comb. You can see the grooves where the shaving cream and beard residue slide through. Rinse. Rinses out very easily. Left side. Cut that sideburn. Work your way down. Rinse. You can see all that stubble on there. Rinse. Now the mustache, scoop under the nose. Rinse. Just a quick face rinse. It's still very slick from the first pass with the shaving soap. You can just dip it back in a little bit, go right to the face again, re-lather. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. Now we'll switch from the open comb to the closed comb or flat bar. Now we'll go across the grain. Rinse. Backhand it. Cleft. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Under the nose, go across, start with the corner, and then lay it flat. Same thing the opposite way. Little cleanup around the lips. Rinse. Cold water rinse to the face. Grab your Shave Nation Allen block, remove the cap under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Seal off any small nicks or weepers. It's an astringent, so you may get a slight bit of stinging. Recap that. Let it soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Apply your aftershave. Check it out. Excellent shave provided. Cheeks, mustache, chin, neck, everything baby smooth with the Shave Nation combination razor. Open comb, closed comb. And the new Shave Nation mug with Ogallala Bay Rum and Sandalwood shaving soap. It's probably locked in there already. It's not falling out. But after a couple shaves, it'll lock in permanently. And I just like to have one of these on the side of the sink, ready at all times for a quick shave. Just dip your brush, swirl, load the tips, face lather. Quick and easy. If you want to pick one of these up, just go to shavenation.com, enter Shave Nation mug in the search box. It'll pop right up. I don't know what the number is on it, but I'll tell you what the number is. Let me find out real quick. If you want to pick one of these beautiful mugs up, just go to shavenation.com, enter SN882 in the search box, which is one less than an 883 Sportster. That's how I remember it. SN882. You can grab one right there. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Nearly 1,000 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geo Fatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.